Oh God, yeah, thank you, Lord. For your next blessing and a next prosperous day. Today was a prosperous day. We achieved something, we accomplished something today. You understand? Sort out the fence and thing. And I get the goat farm on the road. You understand? So you don't know the vibes. But I say nothing because you not go see it. You understand? So I could go look on it right now.
Family TV, your TV, my TV, our TV.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Go! To last with the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing.
Yeah, my people. Alright, we're up on phase 2 now of the thing now, cause if you see the last vlog made a show of the plan. Seeing so, right now, I execute the plan right away. This morning, you see me, so what I do now, what am I going to do now? I'm going to pull off some of the zinc them off of the shed top here. I just take off some of the zinc them off of this, off of the shed here, and get it now. Finish and block out the fence here now. You see me? Fence here now will lead you over to the churchyard now. You with them play them little football from the field lesson. So we want to know where I block off the fence here now to the churchyard now, and then now we can line up a goat them. 2 young goats, a ram and a she, and let them go and make them go and take over the place. And go and eat down and go and breed up. And then after a while, you're frightened to say, you can't have goat for sale. You have to start from somewhere. You understand? So you remember you start walk, you start creep before you walk. See? And you can't run until you can walk. So you have to learn to walk first. So you start from scratch, you start from somewhere. So we have to start from 2 small goats. And we're going to watch them grow. See, because we don't have the money if we can afford to say buy a big ram goat and a big she goat. You understand? So I just get 2 small size, kid size. When I get for a cheaper money. When I go check the goat man still, me know what I go on. And me bring you along to me see what I go on. Said speed. See, so the project for today now, we're going to slap with a fence here. You see me? That's the project for today. So remember, you know, guys, I want to continue give me the support and make it possible. You understand? And all you have to do to give me the support are just by liking. Drop a comment in the comment section. If you don't subscribe to the thing, subscribe to the movement. You know what I mean? I make the movement continue move. You know the vibes. You see me? Because you know, say you're surprised, you're subscribed to greatness. See? Yeah, my tongue a twist up. So you don't know you're subscribed to greatness. So just deal with the thing and go and watch the movement. And we are rise together. You hear me I tell you now? Me I warn you, know? Good. So stay tuned. Alright people, so the top bar so now. First simple on this. You drink out some?
Yeah.
You sure? You sure? top boss, this, you know, top student, you know. You see me? What you have to say to the people, them?
Absolutely.
What you planning to be? Why you plan? Why you vision? Why you plan? What you planning to become when you grow up?
I'll be a lawyer when I grow up.
Oh, so you feel you can become a lawyer?
Yeah.
You know you can become a lawyer?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I have good reasoning skills and persuasive. I love the research.
And he's a very intelligent youth. Because you have to remember say that at the point, you know, because if you not do well in a school, you can't become a lawyer. You see me? And we'll go up there with you and I'll go check you out and what. You make that feel proud. Right? Nothing bad for say about my son. I just be a good grades. But you're absent 2 days. You skull them 2 days there. Tell the truth.
Yeah. Tired.
Tired and skull them 2 days there. Okay. You go on, yeah? You go on. You play a game when you're done, you come help me. If you come help me, you know, because the people are going to sit down in the emphasis say, I'm a lazy son me have. Not because you're bright, that no mean say you mustn't active. Or you see him when I say you want some physical thing to do, like you want to go to. That's why I stay so now and get up now and say I go make the penny now. And then now I get up when the food, when I line up the food now, I go pick up 2 goats. That's why I do it so you can have them say alright then we goat grow up and we can kill goat and we can eat goat and we can share goat and we can sell goat. So remember say you inspire me now if I do this. So when the goat them come you make sure say you help me take care of them and make sure you come back for come even see what I go on. So if you want you pass something for me, you can pass it for me, right guys? But me not pressure him. You understand? Make him go and do him thing. See? So I give him like a time out to play him game because I'm going to deal with the rough part tight first. I don't want him in the rough part tight. Bright boy, man. Boy, I'm lazy. Do I say sometimes the sun come and shining down on my head, and it make me want to sing. Well, as the sunshine, I need you, baby. Morning time, I'm in the mood for you. Well, yeah. So now I get the beam them now for the top. Now strap up the beam them now. I have piece line up already when I go drop at the bottom part and get the show up on the road. See? So when you don't know, just keep on supporting here. Yes man. Yeah my people. Start the work and I go on, you know. Right now the rain a fall. God send down the blessings, you know. So I go on here. Yeah. So reach so far, but the rain come down. So I feel hide down the tree. So I done down at the end there. Run out the top part there, so I cover off the whole of the end there, come to this part, you see. That tree the end there, so. You see me? And then now, the part you know, the binding wire now, the next section you know, the other section, I just the binding wire I'm going to use now and bind on the zinc them on the pole. You see me? So I nail up down other side now because I use me nail up the bottom and strap up the top with the binding wire, you know. So I drop on them zinc there down there so the rain come. And I wet me, you know. And I wet the camera too. So we are hide out of the rain until it kind of ease up. Wow. All the Roma dash way. Church up here so. Mountain view out there so. Yeah man. Our neighborhood, our place. See me, our city, our town. You see me? Jaja city, Jaja town. Yeah. What I do so now, I dig another hole, I plant the iron here night. Right, I say, you get me? For kind of strength, yeah, so because the post there, from to the post there too wide, and then the post there now, right, I say, if you notice the post there, we're piecing it, so you know it now go so strong to hold up the weight in the middle. So I'm going to drop the iron here now in the middle as brace. For brace it, someday I go and dig out the hole here. You know? Okay. Drop the post there in it. To give some support. Coming on it weak for the youth now play football as them jumping out so. It dig down so. We could test it and see what I go on. Alright, so we want now one piece of wire. See wire there, sir. So I don't know, I kind of just use piece of wire now and just kind of catch it so it can't fall, you understand? Just kind of catch it up there, sir. So it can't fall, you dig? Yes. So what I'm going to do now, pack in some stone now in this now and then fill it. So this now we did it as a brace, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to put piece of brace here on the post here. Come down to because when them play the football, sometimes the ball roll comes so them jumping on the fence and it will tear down. But two runners are stay if them try run up and jump in it so them end up slide and broke them foot, so them have to be careful. You understand? Them have to know them are done. So what we're going to do now, we're packing some stone in this now. Kind of filling up. You understand? Nice stone. Hold for stone there so I can't go in. And then now, listen to this now. Firm, right? Yeah. When water catch this now and harden up at the dirt around it, it gets tougher. So right, so we're up on it. So we'll take a little 5 now. See? Take a little break. See? So you don't know, you know, don't move. You see me? Stay tuned. Yeah. Yeah man. Korean man now. Right up in at the top, you see a ripe mango. As we just there, and I say we see one down on the flat there, so you know, and it's a ripe yet. Look up in there and see one up in at the top, so I'm going to try to go feed. So I'm riding for you're riding for your mother. You're running and your mother can cheer you. Oh, that's up.
That tree is stable, you can't hold up a little limb there.
How we start it there? You see it?
No? Are you tell me see it?
We up night up with that.
I can't even see you.
No, which part? Which part the one where you see there? That's so.
Yeah.
Up that side there. Look, you don't see part one in.
Once.
Middle man. Oh, it's my turn. Yo, I don't see it, dog.
I'm a video to me.
You catch me and come down?
Yeah.
Peter? Come catch it and show them.
See that people? This was up night tree. Big mango. It right?
Look down the limb, you left and do go and
It right?
Yeah, it's not fully ripe.
Oh.
Come
What?
put up ripe a little more and then can make smoothie.
Hmm.
And you know, so one more there up there. We fit. Pause that and give me that stick.
Yeah. Yeah, gonna jump?
Eh?
Yeah, jump?
No, no, no. Get them there. Yeah. We get two nice Julie. The one are kind of ripe, but it want put up a little more for ripe, and the one are fit. Put them up for ripe. You can mix them with some banana and some papaya and make smoothie. So you see it? When you work, you shall get your reward. So God see you hard you are working at the states and say, see them mango here before somebody see them, because you know, somebody see them when they not get them. See, you know, as I go pick that one, then we get one more. So we want to finish up the fence here now, you see me? That one there now, see? So we're going to take a little break now. Because I'm going to get to take a break. Just to take a break. And by the time for take a break, we see the mango. I'm going to climb it. Tired.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough,
That means you know, we don't have the bar to just strap them upon, because I see that zinc here. Zinc here one tough zinc. So I'm going to run out the next bar up here, so. Oh, wait there. Right here. I run out the bar here. Thin of the middle. So that we won't go there. big gear now and strap it in and stuff. Use two big gear and strap it in and then now use the binding wire now. I'm buying up your stuff now. So that means that them things now can go down. This can brace them things and hold them. When you put them up and step them. So you see me? Nothing can bust out the bottom of that now. So I line up on here now and kind of steady. You understand? I need to wind them out. I use piece of wire and kind of catch them, make them can't drop down. Or the breeze can blow them. And then now, let me get some butter now. Buy some.
Yeah.
Fast and fast, man. Keep on the fence or something.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna
Kind of thin and the right winding wire is kind of thin, so it's lovely. So we have the middle that's a lock now, right? Them in from the inside there, stand and come from them tall. See me, so we'll shut the boat them over here. So we want kind of ice that one the same strap on some board from them posts. You see like them posts have a shot. But we can start off here so first, you understand? And then sometime go on now, get a little money, we can buy some good board. And then strap on some board now from the post, change out some of them posts here. And then now build the fence good, or you don't know what can happen. You know, God shine a light certain way and you start, you can just build a wall instead. So we just build a wall fence and now as a perimeter fence for keeping the goat them for the time being. See me? And so we go by now and we can advance. You understand? Sometimes you don't know what can happen. Because God is a man who works miracle. So you can down today and tomorrow you wake up, God does lift you up higher than you expect. So right away, so now you can just buy some block and some something and you just build a wall here, so, and set up the thing proper and have your boat them go and raise and them thing there, you see me? Got a nice piece of place. Our original goat pen this, you know, when we clean over here, so Grandpa raised them goat them, you know. And that send we go to school, you know. Because Cause grandpa was a man himself employed. See me? Mama run a liquor shop. That grandpa raised him pig them. The pen the way you see me tear down, that was a pig pen. The part of the pig pen over here so too. Did a beer pig pen a go on where him have the breeding pig them in, and then the young one them now. That's leg out in the open and run up and down with the goat them. Whole heap of goat. Our father used to have the most goat boy here. And them the ram for thief them out in them time the man. You see me? Over here saw his goat pen and the pig pen. Over here saw my playground. The tree here there from Haitian days. The amount of white wing and peed up and them thing that we shoot out of the tree because you hear a little berry. We all of them at ear time when them come eat. So a morning time when school now keep wake up early and come and they all under the tree and saw bleach and what. In the morning you see them come and pitch. And you there under the tree they slingshot and take out all two of them. They will just go down there and catch up a fire. You see me and chew a piece of green on it and go over the yard and go take out some of mama seasoning and thing and come back for me and walk down. We used to have a little brush in name walk down. As the light him reach over here. Yeah man. Those were the days in them time the time he was so nice. You know? Time he was so nice. Alright, that's how we walk over this, right? That's was our gate, you know. We used to walk through this, you know, right? It's why you see the jump on top of the something there. The church, you know, the church on the land and the church on the road, you know, it's a dead end, you know, come straight back down this, you know. Where round here so was our original gate, you know. Our address on Jake's Road, you know. Rick Jam Road, our address, you know. Rick Jam Road, our address. And this is the gate to the car, so the dead end come straight down, so and then the wall come down to the yard over there, so. But what them used to do, them used to have a tent on the end of the road. Down at the dead end, them used to put up a tent and keep church and something. Until them take time now and going make them build upon a little piece of fair land. Over here, so them depend some of our land, you know, the church. You know. See? So some of it depend our land and some of it depend the road. Because the road when you reach them at the end of the dead end, like the end of our Jake's Road stay now. So they would just build some of the church upon Brenda Park and some upon the road. And then, but after when they build the church, we also still used to have our gateway where we used to walk, so we were both school. We go on Rick Jam Road and go to the bus stop. But till after the church take over everything now and then build a wall, they go across this now. And we just start work with Jake's Road officially. But on Jake's Road are really our address officially.
Rick Jam Road.
Rick Jam Road, you know?
Rick Jam.
Rick Jam Road, yeah. And that depends on the papers, the address to the place, Rick Jam Road and Jake's Road. Our grandpa now through Jake's Road now was more like a little town, you see me, so grandpa now they build the shop round this and now. So round this end up the back of the yard becomes the front of the yard. And the front of the yard becomes the back of the yard. And black office and all of them things that during time. Whole heap of goat man, that used to have goat man like we are talking about 60 odd goat when you count man. And pig man like dirt man when holiday time come out to go back to school. When you look all 10 of that they are killed in the morning plus goat. And when you done load them up in a van back on me and that they drive and drop them off for the meat shop and them thing there and see me? Some want to bring back some other little vibes meanwhile we're there, you see me? You want to set up at the thing and go and I work with no pig. See me? But now let go and get back some goat in. I'm not going to make it get really overpopulated unless I see things that work where I can monetize. You understand? You can monitor more than a certain amount. Then me will just load them and make them enough fun. You know? Because you have a business same way. You can kill 3-4 goats and go sell to one meat shop a year time when Christmas come. And that can buy on a Christmas gift. And that can put away for your college fund too. Because you have to go Harvard, so you have to go get all for go foreign now for go college. So I have to try to put all of them things together now. So I have to suffer to make sure you say, you know, alright, you understand? And that's the sacrifice. Because I have to make sure so you get it better than me. You see me and you have the knowledge and the brain feed. So anywhere you want to go, I have to try it there to back you at the same time. So I have to try a whole lot of different things. And I have to go and sacrifice all when I have it, I just have it. Because I have to try to make sure so when the time comes, I have it. Even some. You understand? So that's how the thing go. So we're on the journey like normal in the family. Kind of reason and get carried away. Remember something there. You know? We need to go and reason with Rahim and show him the old time days of how the thing used to work. You know? But we there take a break same way. Every you know me so I take my break already. So I take a break and when you look by the time I start take the break by me look, me see something, I just move to it. So I take my break. So I just go and work and break. Because I do whole heap, look on it. I must say from down on the post there, empty, plus the top of this, I come straight down to Yassa. So I just Yassa left now. And me one, because you just come and you not really help me neither. You just come to work the camera. But from the fence, I'm either on a piece of office, but from the Yassa. So I'm going to slap off Yassa. I just a little part left. After the little part done and some tear down around this, so I have to zinc them. I just binding wire now, because I'm reach my Yassa. The binding wire, I have to wire and the zinc them pan them. And the binding wire, the fine, I don't really want to use it. So I want to kind of catch them and use a little piece of that. For just twine it with just whole feet and drop them, and then tomorrow now, see if we get some binding wire. You know? And bind them up now properly, strong. To make sure say goat jump on it firm, you know? See it? Firm.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Feels like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket.
Wire on this now, on this, so you see it cover up the whole of this stuff. So the short one them now, me have now, you can just wire on now. You have to say wire at the bottom, you come down, you wire at the bottom, then you stop. Make it more safe and secure. And go through it and do it safe and stuff. You know what I mean? You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
I'm a pleasure, some pleasure, bro.
Never gonna look back, 'cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and move fast. Only I can make a change, slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, 'cause that's what it takes.
Cut it to the side. Understand to get some
I take shots to the top, I'll get it. I got one life, I'ma take it all of it. I do what's right, push it till I fall. I'm slipping to get back up, always stand tall, I'm grinning. I got cuts real deep, big bruises scored. I had to learn how to think with my head not hard. I've been chewed up, spit out, torn apart. We're picking up all the pieces is a form of art. Never gonna look back, 'cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change, slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, 'cause that's what it takes.
Good time, dip on the way, people. I can get the perimeter fence out of the way, you know. Start source the goat, you understand? I don't want a little common goat, want two nice goat. Or one, any amount. So we see the price. If we can afford two, we buy it. If we can afford two, we buy one, and then next time we buy another one. You understand? Little. Like them top zinc at the bottom, because you see them top zinc at the bottom, even gunshot can't go through them. So you also go them. We'll see. family, I eat this for the day. Because somebody around here, so come here. Come look what I go on. This was the old time hog pen we squad. The old man used to raise hog back in the days, my stuff. So I eat my tear down because I'm not going to work back with this again. I'm going to just build up a little shed there over this already. More clear here, so just make it to be one wire fence. So if anything I'm going to use the wire there, we make the partition there so over when I have a piece of wire over the side. I want to see it when the time comes. You see me? I can use it now to make the partition here, so that means so when I do over my outside, I can look straight through upon the pen and I see the goat them. You understand? So I'm going to catch back the wire now from upper side, so come down to this part it stop. And then I finish it off now with zinc. Put a little gate on it and thing and set it up. So I finish for today. See? And show them around so I'm going with now. You want something to drink?
Ants bite me.
See there? Finish off here so now. How it look? See? We just use some old zinc and them thing that we have. And block it off. That means so we let go the goat. The place 45, see me? 45 the perimeter, that means when time you let go the goat them can't go outside. If you go trouble nobody something and or nobody thief them. So you have to 45 now. I'm going to block off back there so. You see me? And put a gate there so I put the wire there so that means so I come out and stand up on the gate there up on my house there so and look down. I look straight down in the pen. You understand? And I see the goat them come on. Whole of vegetation there for them eat. So when them come, them not have to worry about them for food for a long while. You understand? Whole of vegetation. So we close off here so now. I mean I wrap up now in the evening. Alright, you go when you're done now. You go take up them the 2 mango them we get. So you see we get all mango too. So we can't have to always give thanks. You understand? So yo my people watching the man. You see until next time. This is it. You see me? And remember to like, share and subscribe. This is your TV and this is my TV. This is our TV. Win-Win Family TV. See? Check it out. Yes man.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. The gas in the back of the set, never knew she's so bad. The kid made the brag. The gas in the back of the set, never knew she's so bad. The kid made the brag. The gas in the back of the set, never knew she's so bad. The kid made the brag. The gas in the back of the set, never knew she's so bad. The kid made the brag. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts, but something deep inside won't let